wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding sawhorses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Bora portamate should serve the weekend DIY well, as it's compact and stores away easily, but is still large enough for a range of applications. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist to set it up, because it uses a simple locking pin. It's backed by a 1-year limited warranty and equipped with 1-inch tubular steel legs. However, it is best for light duty. At number 9, you won't get a lot of fancy features with the ebco SS29, but it does what it's made to do, which is hold the items you place on it steady, and that may just be enough. It's made from galvanized metal, it's heavy duty and ready to work as hard as you. It's a generous 31 inches long and no assembly is required, but it may have some sharp edges. Coming in at number 8 on our list, this Stanley fatmax can be used on all types of terrain, since you can adjust each leg individually for better stability on uneven surfaces. The legs don't quite open as wide as some, however, which cuts back on the overall sturdiness. It's not too heavy at about 11 pounds and is a steel and polypropylene construction, though it is on the more expensive side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whereas most models remain at one height, these goplus adjustable can stand between 31.5 and 51 inches tall, making them great for different tasks or for taller users. They're crafted with iron frames that are coated to provide resistance to rust. Each can hold up to 440 pounds, and they're rugged and long-lasting, but some find them tough to assemble. Moving up our list to number 6. When collapsed, the worx clamping feature a mere 2.5-inch depth, making them a fine choice for anyone with an already crowded garage or workshop. And because they arrive fully assembled, you don't have to waste any time trying to figure out how to put them together. They're made from thermoplastic materials with detachable bar clamps. However, they're not as sturdy as some. Halfway up our list at number 5. The metabo HPT Heavy Duty is sold as a pair, so you'll be ready to get to work as soon as they arrive. What's more, each includes 2 sawbuck attachments that are specifically made for holding 2x4s, a convenient and helpful touch. They're equipped with built-in cord hooks, and it's not too pricey for a set. They can hold 1,200 pounds together. At number 4, you can employ the worx Pegasus as a typical stand, but it gives you more bang for your buck, as it also functions as a portable work table. And if one doesn't offer you enough room, you can link 2 or more together to expand your available surface space. It features a storage shelf at the bottom and holds up to 300 pounds in table mode. However, the clamps could be sturdier. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Just to be perfectly clear, you'll need to supply your own lumber, as the Target Precision Rugged Body is only a pair of legs, not a full sawhorse. For many though, this is a benefit, as it can be finished to anyone's individual specifications. It comes with non-slip rubber end caps and is made in the USA. The legs are an ample 34 inches long. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when only the strongest will do, consider the toughbuilt steel, which offers a beefy 1,100 pound capacity and is powder coated to go the distance. It's also versatile, as you can use the 2x4 arms to turn a pair of them into an on-site table. It's equipped with practical pivoting feet and material support pegs. It feels sturdy when open. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Hide-A-Horse folding blends the stability and sturdiness of wood with the ease of carrying you'd expect from plastic models. It does so by way of a nifty collapsible design with thoughtfully made handles that allow you to pick up 2 with each hand. It weighs just under 8 pounds and is more eco-friendly than most, and it's got no metal pinch hazards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding sawhorses, or simply click beneath this video.